Introduction. The TRG 300 Tiger and the T122 Sakarya are both multiple launch rocket systems, MLRS, developed by Turkey. The TRG 300 Tiger is a more modern system with a longer range and greater accuracy, while the T122 Sakarya is a more affordable system with a shorter range. TRG 300 Tiger. The TRG 300 Tiger is a 300mm MLRS that is mounted on a manned 6x6 truck chassis. It has 4 launch tubes that can fire rockets up to a range of 120 kilometers. The rockets are guided by a GPS/GLONASS system, which gives the TRG 300 Tiger a high degree of accuracy. The system can also be used to fire a variety of warheads, including high explosive, cluster, and thermobaric warheads. The TRG 300 Tiger is a highly mobile system that can be quickly deployed to any location. It is also relatively easy to use, making it a good choice for both professional and amateur crews. T122 Sakarya. The T122 Sakarya is a 122mm MLRS that is mounted on a Euro 4326x6 truck chassis. It has 40 launch tubes that can fire rockets up to a range of 36 kilometers. The rockets are unguided, but they have a wide area of effect. The system can also be used to fire a variety of warheads, including high explosive, cluster, and thermobaric warheads. The T122 Sakarya is a more affordable system than the TRG 300 Tiger, but it also has a shorter range and lower accuracy. However, the T122 Sakarya is still a very capable system that can be used to deliver a devastating amount of firepower. The TRG 300 Tiger and the T122 Sakarya are both powerful MLRS systems, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. The TRG 300 Tiger is more accurate and has a longer range, while the T122 Sakarya is more affordable and has a wider area of effect. The best system for a particular application will depend on the specific requirements. If accuracy and range are the most important factors, then the TRG 300 Tiger is the better choice. However, if affordability and area of effect are more important, then the T122 Sakarya is a better option. Conclusion. The TRG 300 Tiger and the T122 Sakarya are both formidable MLRS systems that can deliver a devastating amount of firepower. The best system for a particular application will depend on the specific requirements. Additional information. The TRG 300 Tiger is currently in service with the Turkish Army and the Azerbaijani Armed Forces. The T122 Sakarya is currently in service with the Turkish Army, the Azerbaijani Armed Forces, and the Bangladeshi Army. Both systems have been used in combat, including the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh War. I hope this video text has explained everything about the TRG 300 Tiger and the T122 Sakarya. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.